Okay, so good afternoon to everybody. Thanks for coming to this presentation today. This is a very practical talk about the application procedure for master's courses, so post-graduation courses in the UK, the most popular kind of course for Brazilian students. So it's the master's course, the one-year course of post-graduation, and we're going to look at the practicalities of how to make an application. My name's Mark McGrath, and I'm a representative of the Universities of York and Bristol in the UK, two of the most traditional and recognised universities in the UK. And again, I'll give you my contact details afterwards, but these are my details in case you need to ask any questions afterwards. So, we're going to go straight into the application issue. The first thing is language. Of course, English language, unfortunately, you must take an official exam to be able to enter a master's post-graduation program in the UK. And it's very important for you to prepare in advance. That means that if you know that you need to practice your language, or if you need to improve your level, then you may need to take a preparation course. And it's very important that quite soon you take one of the official tests that is necessary to qualify for British education. So as you may know, the official tests include the IELTS, which is the exam which is offered by the British Council, which is the first one there. You can also take the TOEFL. Most British universities, 95% of British universities will accept the TOEFL, and also the Cambridge system. The minimum level of acceptance for the Cambridge system is the CAE, the Cambridge Advanced English. So any one of those three tests is acceptable. And why do I say that you should take the test? The thing is that many people wait and wait and wait and postpone and postpone and postpone the time for them to take the test because they're not sure if they have the right level. Well, unfortunately, you do need to show us an official exam result. And it does help you significantly if you take the test. If you don't get the result that you need, then at least you know the difference between your score and the score that is required by the institution. So one of my recommendations is for you to take the test, one of the tests, as soon as you possibly can. At the moment, we are promoting admissions for courses that start in September of 2011. So we have good time. We are in October of 2010. But it would be good if you took your English exam before the end of this year. So if you could take a test before the end of 2010, then at least you know the score that you have achieved, and then you can see whether you need to improve your language anymore. So it's one recommendation is to take that test. A common problem is that people postpone and postpone and postpone the taking of the test, because at some point you do need to show the university your level of English, and so we are telling you, we are recommending that you take the test soon, because we know that in our experience many students get admission to the university because of their academic performance. They have great grades, they have good recommendation letters, they have everything else that you need, but they don't present the English language exam. So you must remember that it is a very important part of the application process.